For achieving good quality breeding from Bajrigar, we need to prepare them from young age. In that video, I want to discuss about how to prepare semi-adult bird for breeding stage and how to care them. Basically, this stage of 2 to 5 month age is the growth stage for all bird. If you are able to take care them properly in this time, they will get healthier and produce a lots of egg when they are adult. To care semi-adult bird, the first stage is to provide them more protein content feed. Extra protein support bird in their body growth. To provide extra protein, give some extra oil seed like sunflower seed, canary seed and safflower seed. Sunflower seeds contain 21% of protein, which is really great for growth stage. These seeds also contain 50% of fat, which is much more higher than any other source. This saturated fat play a good role on bird growth. On other hand, oil seeds like safflower contain 32% of protein. This also support their extra protein needs. To mix oil seed with their regular diet, just give extra 50 gram sunflower seed and 50 gram safflower seed with regular ready-made seed mixture. The amount of this 100 grams should be mixed up with 1 kilograms of regular diet feed. The second stage of caring Bajrigar you can take is to choose perfect age bird when you buy them. That means if you want to buy Bajrigar bird for breeding, buy birds which age are between 3 to 4 months. After buying, care them in a separate cage. In this time, don't give any breeding box or pot up to the age of 6 months. Because if you give a breeding box in this stage, then your bird should start laying on that time, but start laying on age of 4 to 5 months is not good for their health. So try to make delay to start breeding up to 6 or 7 months. The next tips is about the privacy of bird. You need to give a proper privacy for your bird because Bajrigar don't like any crowd place. They need a silent area for their nest. For this reason, try to set up your cage on a side of balcony or on a corner of your room. Don't disturb on their privacy. So try to conscious about these things. One more thing, it's about night time. You don't may disturb your bird in the time of night, so try to do all the maintenance work in the time of morning or on the time of evening. Don't disturb them in the night time because the night is time to sleep them, and if you disturb them in this time it may affect on their health. The next thing I want to suggest you is to provide some sunlight on their nest. To ensure this sunlight, you may need to set up your cage in a side of your balcony or on the side of your window because a little bit sunlight is very important for their health. Some more other things which you have to follow. One is the drinking water. Try to change drinking water of bird regularly because if you don't change it regularly, there are some bacteria which is grown on this water and this may ill your bird quickly. So try to change the water in a regular basis, at least once in every 2 days. The next tips is about vitamin and calcium supplement. This particular age bird need different types of vitamin for their body growth. For this reason, try to give a ready-made vitamin mixture and mix it with water and provide it in a regular basis. Needs of calcium is much more higher in this stage of growth. So try to give some calcium sources like cuttlefish bone or mineral block on the bird cage. Try to hang a cuttlefish bone on the side of your cage or mix up some mineral block with their grit. All of these caring stages are really helpful for the semi-adult bird to prepare them for a good breeding. So thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more information about Bajrigar breeding, Bajrigar bird care and their different types of question and answer, just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly.